Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Google Gemini. Something went wrong on your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need to make sure that Google Gemini app is downloaded on your device. And if you are facing the problem like something went wrong, then you can fix it very easily. So first step is you can just check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not that strong, you might be facing that problem too. So make sure that internet connection is very strong and stable. And another step is you can just turn on your airplane mode for the 5 seconds so that your object will be recycled and you will not face that problem, and turn off the airplane mode. And another option is you can simply visit your app store and search the related app Google Gemini, and if there is any kind of update, then there will be the option update available. So if the updates are available, you just need to tap on the option update and update the app accordingly to get the new features, and then you might also not face that kind of problem anymore. And there is one more option, which is settings. Tap on the option settings and go to the option general and tap on the option iPhone storage and search the app Google Gemini. Here you can see the app Google Gemini, and then there is the option offload app. Tap on the option offload app and confirm with tapping again the option offload app. There is the option reinstall app, which is highlighted in color blue. Tap on the option reinstall app and your app Gemini will be reinstalled on your device with the very new features. You might not face the problem like something went wrong anymore on your device while using the Gemini. So that's how you can solve the problem. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.